Hi friends, how are you? I hope that all of you are safe and healthy at your homes. So with this I start today's topic for letters, which is letters for digits. Okay, now in this topic basically we'll be solving puzzles involving letters for digits. That means example A 8 plus 7B gives you 107. Now how to solve such type problems? I am taken operator as addition. The next example, that is on right hand side, I will explain you the multiplication also. Now here basically the first rule to solve such a problem, first rule is that a digit cannot hold, I'm sorry, I'll write it more precisely. A letter cannot hold more than one digit. That means a value of one letter will only one digit only. It cannot be 2, it cannot be 3. That means here one number, not one number. I am not talking about one number. Number means what? A number is a combination of digits. That means it cannot be 28. It will be 8 only, or either 2. Okay, and similarly. So now in this one digit. Now second rule says that the leftmost digit cannot be 0. That means the leftmost digit of a number cannot be 0, else the number of digits as a number will be reduced to its ones. Like if I write 0000063 or 63. Whether there is a difference? No, because actual value, if you write this or 00, unlimited zeros before 6, then the value won't change. So we precisely write is this only. Okay, but if you write this, if you write like this, write this, the value changes. That is why the leftmost digit cannot be 0. I am writing bracket S. That means here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now basically now we'll be using these two rules only and some common sense. Now 8 plus something is equal to 7. We know that number, if 8 minus 1 is 7, but since we know that number whenever we add, there is no negative, we only consider the positive ones or 0 and positive ones. Now in this, so what can we consider here? 8 plus what is equal to 7? We can't consider as 7, instead we will consider as 17. Okay, why not 27? Why not 30? I'll be explaining soon. Now 8 plus what is equal to 70? That means 17 minus 8 is what? 9. So we'll be substituting here 9. Now 8 plus 9 17, 1 carry. Now a plus 1 plus 7 is equal to 10. Why 10? Because there is no digit on this side. That means you will consider this whole number. Okay. Now 1 plus 7 is what? 8. Now which number should be added to a? 8 to get 10. It is 2. So our value of a is 2. B is 9. Now the question that why can't be 27, why it can be 37, why 2? Because if it is 27, then the answer will be what? 18, 19. And since you know the first rule, the letter cannot hold more than one digit. Here there are two digits. So we can't take 27, 37 more than that. So very better we will be taking this only. So answer for this puzzle is A is equal to 2, B is equal to 9. Now here I am considering an example of the NCERT book, okay, which is AB multiplied by 3 gives you CAB. Now how to solve? Okay, this is multiplication. The rules are same, only you have to change the perspective. That means you have to change the way of solving. Now here B into 3 is B. Now think of such a number which multiplied by 3 gives the same of its own value. Now our answer ranges from 0 to 9. We'll be considering each possibility. 3s are 0 3s is what? 0. 1 3s are 3, 6, 9. Now see, 4 3s are 12, and you know a digit cannot hold more than one digit. So that is why we'll be considering only 2. and the rest will be carried. You know, in multiplication, if there 2 digit number comes in the product, you will be carrying the left, the tens place digit to the carry, and the rest you will be writing, ones place you will be writing in the product. So see here, 5 3 is 15, 5. 6 3 is 18, 8. 7 3 is 21, 1. 8 3 is 24, 4. 9 3 is 27, 7. 10 means again back to 0. Now focus on this. Now see here. Now find out such possibilities where these and these are equal. This one and this one. Is there anyone same with this? No. That means our answer can be 0 or 5. Okay. B, for B. Now let's consider B as 0. A 0 into 3, that means 0. Now our problem is modified. Now here 0 3 0. 3 A's are A. Now focus on carry. If you will be considering 5, there will be carry. So we take care of that. There is no carry because 0 3 is 0. No carry. Now think of another number A, which when multiplied by 3 gives it same condition here. That means again the answer can be 0 or 5. 0 or 5. And you know, since the leftmost digit cannot be 0, that means we have only one answer. That is 5. Now let's solve it again. 50 into 3 gives you 0, 5 and 1. So with this, if you compare this, what will be our answer? A is equal to 5, B is equal to 0, C is equal to 1. This is one answer. Let's come on to second case, that is B is equal to 5. B is equal to 5. And now let's change the problem in this way. Now 5 3 is 15, that means 1 carry. Now you have to think such of a number, that means if you multiply it by 3 plus 1, you will be getting it same. Now for this, recall the table which I have drawn here. Recall the table and think of such a possibility, whether there is a possibility or not, where if you multiply the number by 3 and add it to 1, you will be getting the same number. Okay, 0, no, because 0 satisfying this condition, not this one. So 1 3 is 3, 4. If I take 1, it will be 4, it will be 2, it will be 7, it will be 3, it will be 0. How? So it is a 9, 9 plus 1, 10. We will be focusing on the units digit only. 4, 3, 5, 6, 7, 7 3s are 21, 22, 8, 5, 9, 9 3s are 27, 28. See, do you find any of the possibilities? Do you found? Same number. Is there any possibility? Yes or no? Is there any possibility? 7 3 is 21. 5 3 15. No, there is no. So by this we can conclude that there is no such solution. That means B cannot be 5. So our answer is this only. A is equal to 5, B is equal to 0, C is equal to 1. Final answer. Now, as you have seen one example of addition and multiplication, you have saw that in addition you don't require such type of logic, but in multiplication you have to search for each and every possibility. If there is a possibility, then what are the sub possibilities? Then what are more sub possibilities? So multiplication involves, that means it takes time to solve as compared to addition. So addition can be solved within 2 to 3 minutes. So I will be taking one more example again from NCERT book of multiplication only. AB multiplied by 6 gives B. Okay. Now how to solve? Now search for possibility which multiplied by 6 gives O number. Again draw the table. Don't draw in the table, but you search for possibility in the mind or in the corner. Like if you are solving in a notebook, in the corner you can draw margin and you write rough work 0, and you can see the possibilities. Okay. Don't draw such type of table in your notebooks. So now 0 gives you what? 0, 1, 6, 2, 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18, 4 6 are 24, 5 6 are 30, 6 6 are 36, 7 6 are 42, 8 6 are 48, 9 6 are 54, and again back. Now what are the possibilities? Even numbers. These, this. These 5 possibilities. So huge problem. Am I right? Now, again now modify the problem. A. Now let's check, consider 0. No, we can't consider 0 because the same digit and this one. Now focus on this. This extremmost leftmost digit, it cannot be 0. So one possibility gone. In such a way only you have to solve such a problem. There is no definite way. You have to search for possibilities. You have to use your own brain to solve this. Now next possibility is this one. A2 multiplied by 6 gives you 2, 2, 2. It's now very simple. 2, 2, 2 divided by 6. 2, 2, 2 divided by 6. Now solve. 6 3 is 18. 18 and it's 6 3 is 18. 4 2 that means 7. No, not satisfied. Why? Because 37 6 that's 2 2 2. 37 but we want only 2. That means what can you say from this condition that there, see 7 also yields 2. See 7 also yields 2. Now how to discriminate between these two? That 2 6 are 12, that means 1 carry. 7 6 are 42, that means 4 carry. And if you check any of these, then 4 6 are 24. Okay. And what is 9 6 are 54? See the pattern. Okay. If you are searching for 2, you get only odd number at the carry. Here the number which is carry. Now let's do it. 4 carry. See. That means even. So not satisfied. Next condition is 4 1. I mean, now just I am substituting here only. 4 4 4 4. Now let's solve here. 4 4 4. Now 6 7 are 42. And here 6 4s are 24. One condition satisfied. That means you can write answer. There can be multiple possibilities. Don't be in that much. Don't take it that much lightly, because in the competitive exam, basically they say what are the number of possibilities, or they ask, or they give me 3 options A, B, C, and D is all of the above. Whenever you see all of the above, you get many of the students get confused. That means you have to solve a lot. That is why while searching of these possibilities in NCERT, there is no such definite answer given. Okay, there can be one or more answer. So you have to search for each and every possibility which you calculate while they are solving this problem. Now let's come on to this one. 6. What is 6? Again I will be changing here. 6. You can directly solve. 6 divided by 6 is 111. It's a 3-digit number, but we want 2-digit number, so gone. This also gone. Now let's check for last condition, which is 8. Okay, 8. Now let's divide 8 divided by 6. Okay, 6 1 is 6. Okay, now you can directly leave this. Why should I leave? Because 6 is 111. So it is number greater. Number is greater. Here the one number is constant, that means 6. Now if I example, if 6 3 is 18. So now if you increase this number, and you keep this number as constant, so whether this result will be increased or decreased, it will be also increased. That means if you increase one number, the product will also be increased. Given that the other number is constant, here also same condition. This number is constant, you are only changing this number. Okay, don't focus on this, just focus on this number. 8. Earlier it was 2, then 4, then 6. As the result was increasing, our answer also was increasing. Here earlier it was 37, then it became 74, then it became 111. Now what God knows. So here you can see there is a constant increase in the answer, and we don't want 3-digit number because it is not specified here on more digit. So with this I can say that the answer is limited only to these two, and we have got only one answer. That means our final answer is A equals to, let's compare, what is it, 4, no? 4. So A is equal to 7, B is equal to 4. This is the final answer. Okay. With this I end today's video. of topic letters for digits. I have taken only 3 examples. If you face any kind of difficulty while solving the rest problem, then please comment me in the comment box. By that time, if you like this video, then please like, share with your friends so that they can also take part in this. Okay, and they can also build up their concept of playing with numbers so that they can also crack a competitive exams aptitude, especially aptitude section, very easily. For that, please press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.